Okay, out here checking the bees. I just put some syrup in. I'm not sure if any one of them are at it yet. I was just talking to some friends today, fellow beekeepers, and two of them told me they lost all of their hives over the winter. Now, my hive is still here, but it looks pretty small and weak at this point. So it's about 55, 56 degrees. They're huddled up there. Got probably a little bit of honey left. See a lot of cap in the bottom that was chewed, and not a whole lot of stores left, I don't think. So we're going to give them some syrup this time of year. Let's get this top back on here. It's important to feed. And hopefully this will be a blast of energy for them. I had to pull out the entrance bar that I had in there so I could fit the syrup in. Hopefully they'll find it here shortly. A few of them were out flying around, but not a lot of activity. As long as they're, as long as they start eating that syrup, I think we can get them through. But as I said, two friends lost all their hives. Got another friend who's supposed to check his. We'll see how it goes.